Addo Sumivre. Correct one.
Boating Ameya 1 TV.
Boating Ameya 1 TV.
Boating Ameya 1 TV. Boating Ameya 1 TV.
Boating Ameya 1 TV.
Boating Ameya 1 TV.
Baby Biala, you can know YouTube no so. Subscribe and share. It's answer any pa and what they bro. You will go na confirm patini. Now what's all your day? Car and yes, I met show no.
Number one, they should bow their head in shame, down their head in shame
From all across the ministry.
And your ministry at their MPP phone paying phone. They should stay away. At dear President Kufuado Kaso Benya. They say a Kufuado to say a dria is siwa any.
Wow.
Yes, with the galamsey. Madam, I'm telling you, main means from a Kufuado to what to say. A dria is siwa any. Because ni I wrote. Galamsey. When it comes to galamsey, a Kufuado ni I wrote complete.
Serious.
Na momo tumi kwaji obi machines say onu de onidi now they are mauba. Please I dey ask na ekosi one woman say ma bay now you can't even talk about Mahama. How can you talk about Mahama? How that time I don't know mum permasem baby latry boy and fam me asem bia be de mano beka bia it comes to pass.
Ahia ne be kan
it comes to pass.
Bibi so na yes for evidence in bra.
Now me evidence there the bad they are sent assemble but me no I stay away. And yam nam dey buy wo mo kan wasem. But on mo say matia me do. Onko prosecute obi. Wo hu sa we. Me dey tene wo so no. On say na ne hwem. Wo better no prosecute.
Asem no no.
Ja. You better no prosecute. Wo and their confidence now to tell Mahama say your friend say Matiami do say on prosecute. Because me say me yes say and 9 real so to tree. Yeah, that is what is going on. Akufuado Ojina Hop say give a dear siwa any when it comes to galamsey.
Wow. This is harrowing.